Ever wondered who the top 5 health specialists you must see to stay healthy? Well, you're not alone. In a world where health is wealth, regular visits to health specialists are as crucial as having a balanced diet. Each specialist plays a distinct role in maintaining our overall health, from the top of our heads to the tips of our toes. In the next few minutes, we'll delve into the world of these medical maestros, shedding light on their roles and why they are indispensable for our well-being. We'll be talking about the quintessential primary care physician, the all-important dentist, the skin savior dermatologist, the visionary ophthalmologist, and last but not least, the guide to your gut, the nutritionist or dietitian. So buckle up, it's going to be a fascinating ride through the lanes of health and wellness. Let's embark on this journey of health discovery, shall we? First stop, our everyday health heroes, the primary care physicians. They are the first line of defense in our healthcare system, providing regular checkups and screenings. These checkups are not just a friendly chat about how you're feeling. Oh no, they are a crucial part of detecting health issues before they become serious. Let's take a hypothetical case, shall we? Imagine a chap named John. Now, John was a picture of health, or so he thought. He was active, ate well, but he hadn't seen a doctor in years. It was only when he signed up with a primary care physician and went in for a routine checkup that they discovered he had high cholesterol. Thanks to this early detection, John was able to make necessary lifestyle changes and keep his health in check, dodging the bullet of potential heart disease. Now you see, primary care physicians are a bit like detectives, really. They piece together the puzzle of your health, using clues from your medical history, lifestyle, and even your family's health. They're trained to spot the subtle signs of potential health issues that we might overlook or dismiss as nothing. So you see, regular checkups aren't just about putting a stethoscope to your chest and sending you on your way. They are about building a relationship with a medical professional who knows you and your health. So, having a primary care physician is like having a personal health detective. Interesting, isn't it? Moving on, let's talk about the guardians of our smiles, the dentists. Now, these aren't just the folks who tell you off for not flossing enough. They're the sentinels of oral health, keeping an eagle eye out for the first signs of trouble. They're not just fixers, they're preventers. Consider the tale of a chap named Harry. Harry was a bit of a sweet tooth, loved his afternoon tea with a side of biscuits. He was diligent about brushing his teeth, but like many of us, flossing was often forgotten. One day, during a routine checkup, his dentist noticed a small cavity. It was an early stage, nothing to panic about, but without that regular checkup, Harry's sweet tooth could have turned into a sour situation. With a simple filling, Harry's dentist nipped the problem in the bud, and he learned a valuable lesson about the importance of regular dental visits. He also learned to floss a bit more often too. Dentists play a crucial role in our health, not just by treating existing problems, but by helping us avoid them in the first place. They keep our smiles bright and our mouths healthy, and they give us the confidence to flash our pearly whites without a second thought. So don't underestimate the power of a regular dental checkup. It's not just about maintaining a picture-perfect smile, it's about safeguarding your oral health. Remember, a healthy smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. Next, we have our skin saviors, the dermatologists. When it comes to health, it's not just about what's happening on the inside. The skin, our largest organ, often reflects what's going on beneath the surface. Dermatologists are the knights in shining armor for our skin, specializing in its care and the treatment of its myriad conditions. From pesky pimples to more serious issues like skin cancer, dermatologists play a vital role in our overall health. Consider this. Meet Jane. A year ago, she noticed a small irregular mole on her arm. It wasn't painful or itchy, but it looked different from the others. She decided to consult a dermatologist, and thank heavens she did. The dermatologist diagnosed it as an early stage of melanoma, a type of skin cancer. Thanks to her early detection and immediate treatment, Jane today is cancer-free and healthier than ever. This is just one instance. Dermatologists can help identify and treat a vast array of skin conditions, from acne to psoriasis, eczema to skin allergies. Regular screenings can also help spot signs of skin cancer early when it's most treatable. And it's not just about disease and treatment. Dermatologists can also guide you in maintaining healthy, glowing skin, advising on the right skincare products and routines for your unique skin type. After all, your skin is the outfit you wear every day. It deserves the best care, doesn't it? Let's turn our gaze to the keepers of our sight, the ophthalmologists. These medical maestros play a crucial role in maintaining our ocular health, conducting comprehensive eye exams and detecting potential vision-threatening diseases. Imagine the story of James, a middle-aged man who noticed a slight blurriness in his vision. It was nothing major, just a little fuzziness around the edges. He decided to visit his local ophthalmologist, and it turned out to be a lifesaver. The ophthalmologist discovered early signs of glaucoma, a condition that can lead to blindness if left untreated. Thanks to this early detection, James was able to start treatment right away, preserving his vision. This story underscores the importance of regular visits to an ophthalmologist. They're not just there for when you need a new pair of glasses, but to ensure that your eyes stay healthy and your vision remains clear. Your eyes are the windows to your world. Ensure they get the attention they need. Finally, we meet the architects of our health, the nutritionists and dietitians. They are the wizards of wellness, the maestros of meals, the sultans of sustenance. Their job? To guide us through the labyrinth of food choices and help us construct a balanced and personalized meal plan. Consider the story of Lucy, a woman in her early 30s battling type 2 diabetes. Despite her best efforts, Lucy struggled to manage her blood sugar levels. Enter her dietitian, a beacon of nutritional wisdom. Together, they embarked on a journey to overhaul Lucy's eating habits. The dietitian whipped up a personalized nutrition plan, rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and fiber. Lucy learned to understand food labels, control portion sizes, and even enjoy her vegetables. She discovered the joy of preparing healthy meals, the thrill of picking fresh produce, and the satisfaction of a well-balanced meal. And the result? Lucy's blood sugar levels stabilized. She felt more energetic, her skin glowed, and she even shed a few pounds. All thanks to her dietitian's guidance and her own determination. Nutritionists and dietitians don't just tell us what to eat, they educate us on how to make healthier choices. They show us the power of food, not just as a source of enjoyment, but as a tool for health and well-being. Food is the fuel of life, and a good nutritionist ensures you're running on premium. So there you have it, the top 5 health specialists you must see to stay healthy. From our trusty primary care physician, the gatekeeper of our health, to the dentist, ensuring our smiles remain not only beautiful, but healthy too. We've highlighted the importance of the dermatologist, our skin's best friend, and the ophthalmologist, the guardian of our sight. And let's not forget the nutritionist or dietitian, guiding us to nourish our bodies with the right foods for optimum health. These 5 specialists are key players in our health journey, each with a unique role, yet all working towards one common goal, your wellness. Health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So let's not take it lightly. Remember, taking care of your health is the best investment you can make. Stay healthy, stay happy,